In this video, we're going to go ahead and look at how to access the quizzes or the tests. They're done the same way. So again, I'm in week 2, and week 2 says do the homework, suppose you're done with that, do the discussion board, suppose you're done with that as well, and now you're ready to take the quiz. So we're going to click here, and you'll see it says quiz 1 and when it's due. The time limit is 45 minutes and you have 2 attempts. Remember, the best one counts out of the 2. So I click on quiz 1, and notice it says before you can even take the quiz you have to have at least 70% on all these sections for that chapter. Since I'm the instructor, I'm able to say continue and just move on and show this to you guys, but you won't be able to do that. So if you don't have all the required homework done with at least 70%, you can't even take the quizzes. So it's really important that you do finish the homework and get 100% because you can do similar exercises over and over. So I was supposed to click continue. Hold on. There we go. Continue. And it says I'm ready to start. So if you already know how to enter answers, which you should have learned by now since the homework has the same palette going on for it, I'm going to say go ahead, I'm ready to start. The quiz loads up and it says write a formula that determines blah blah blah. You read through it, you put in your answer. Make sure you don't submit quiz. Do not submit quiz until the very end of the quiz. So you can go to the next question if you want and not put anything if you're not sure and then come back to it. So you just go through all the questions, and looks like this quiz has 20 questions. And as you're going through the questions, you'll notice the time remaining displays, and it shows how many you have complete. As of right now, I have none of them complete. So you can either click next question or just go through it one by one and input the answers like you do for the homework. Once you are completely done with the quiz, only then should you click submit quiz. Make sure you don't make the mistake of doing it in the middle of the quiz because that'll count as your first try already. So take your time. Even if you're done early, go back and review all the problems and then click submit quiz. And also, different from the homework, you must sit through the entire quiz in one time. You can't log out and come back in. So set aside the time allotted for the quiz, take the quiz, submit it, and then you're done. Whereas for the homework, remember, you can go back and forth. So you can say submit quiz, and then it says you haven't completed some of them. If some of them you're not sure and they're blank, you say yeah, go ahead and submit the quiz. And as you can see here, of course, I got them all wrong because I didn't put anything in. Then you can click on go to results, and it'll take you to somewhere like the gradebook section where you can click on review and review your quiz and see what you got right and what you got wrong, and then go through. Like for example, this one, I'm already giving you guys the answer. It already puts in, it says you answered nothing because we left it blank, but the actual answer is filled in for you. So you can go through all the questions, see what the correct answers are, review the problems, and then go back after you're done reviewing them and retake the quiz. And remember, for the quizzes, you can take them twice. For the tests, you can only submit them once and take them one time only. And that's about it for taking the quiz. Remember, at any time, if you want to review the quiz, you can also click on Gradebook and then review the quiz or past homeworks through that button as well. And that's it for quizzes and tests. Again, tests are accessed the exact same way for the weeks that tests are due. And also there's a all quizzes and tests button for you to look through if you want to access them that way. For right now, only these are assigned. And here's test 1, for which you have 90 minutes, and remember, you can only take it once. Once you click on it, you go through the same thing you went through for the quizzes. And that's it for the quiz and test video.